Hello, friends. We are live. We're live. I'm live. By the time I finish this live, I want to go with 50 likes. If I didn't go with 50 likes, I'm not going to feel happy. By the time I finish this live, I would like to go with 50 likes. Okay, or the list of 20 likes. Kekunu mere keke kesa anyanwụ ụtụtụ ọma ihe ọma abalị ọma onye ọma na-ege m ntị. How are you doing? I believe you are fine. I'm live with my beautiful daughter. Say hi. Say good morning. Shout.
Money.
Good. With big voice. We used to have deep voice. My own craft because I'm a teacher. I lost my own voice. That's why it's cracked. We used to have deep voice. I'd say good morning.
Good
Say
morning.
ụtụtụ.
Atutama.
Oh, ọtụtụ ọma. Ọtụtụ ọma onye ọma na-ege m ntị. Ana m ekene ebe ọbụla na-esi na-ekiri ihe nkiri a. Ana m asị ka eke unu mere ikekesi anyanwụ. Ama m na eke nke gị na-atụgharị ka eke ọgba. If you see I'm putting on sweater, though I'm in Nigeria, some of you be wondering, why are you putting on sweater, Adibonine, and you're in Nigeria? There is heat. In some parts of Nigeria, serious heat. There is serious heat. When I say heat, I mean serious one in some parts of Nigeria, but here, well, the weather is cold. Here we are feeling cold. See how she's putting on sweater. Her sweater is not that strong. Um, and I'm making. Unlike the time, I always come with content about cooking. Some of you say, Adi Bonine, you love cooking. Is it that all the time you're in the kitchen? I'm not in the kitchen all the time. Igbo teacher, I'm a teacher. I teach in school. I'm a teacher. It's just that I like showing you people African culture. African woman is known for cooking. Anyway, there's one they believe that African women they are just meant for kitchen. They should be in the kitchen, nothing like education. Before everything changed and the world got this civilized. And once the world got civilized, they now remember that women is the pillar of everything. So we are meant to go to school too. That's why women started going to school in Africa. So we still be some people, some part of people will still believe that when they give birth to female child, that they don't have to spend for the child to go to school. But my dear, I want your female children to go to school and you are going to enjoy it at last. What class are you?
33.
Nursery three. Oh, oh, oh. My baby is in nursery three. She's in school. She's going to graduate. She's going to do her masters outside the country too. Now, I'm making in Germany again. I don't have like even one like I don't have up till now. I will start crying. I said by the end of this video, we wish to go with many likes. Someone should like our video and they start praying. You don't need to start praying. How can we just come live and no one will like our video? Someone should like our video. We are here to say good morning. Someone liking us shows that we are beautiful. If you like us, it means that we are beautiful. We are not ugly. If you didn't like our video, we will start crying. No, it's not a good thing now. And we love you all. I remain Adibonine Adejemon. Like in Africa, we are women are the pillars of everything. But some part of African countries will still tell you that women are meant to be in the kitchen. It's not like that though. A lot of people say, why is it that all the time we see you? Adi Bonine. Thank you for that. Like, they start crying of happiness. This is cry of joy. Thank you for that. Like that person that liked our video. Please, oh, thank you. Plus, we need to. I wish to see the names of people that are coming live. Why am I not seeing the names? Is it that I need to go and check it? I need to be seeing the names of people that are joining me. Why is it hidden? I need to mention their name. Please, I couldn't see the names, but please, I love you. After I will check, why am I not seeing the names? It's like I'm supposed to see the names so that I'll call your name and give you a shout out. Oh gosh. Thank you. Please, after I'll go and check why I'm not seeing names. And thank you. We love you. If you are joining us, we can't see any names at the moment.
But we want to say we love you back for liking our video. We make open ways for you, open doors for you, open doors for you. Just for liking our videos, we open doors for you. We love you. We based in Nigeria, Africa mama. Africa mama, you're always in the kitchen. Why? Why? Why you always? Hey, is it that African mothers, is it that they're always in the kitchen? Please, oh, it's then, it was then. But I like showcasing culture. It was then that women are not to be always in the kitchen. Always in the kitchen. African women, they even believe that when they give birth to a female child, that you are meant to be in the kitchen, nothing like education. Then, there is different form of education, informal education. But even of that time, during the olden days, women don't go to school in Africa. We don't go to school. When they give birth to five females, they believe that thank God this one has free also. You are meant to when you very soon you will marry. They stop that. Very soon you will marry and you enter your husband kitchen. Why will we when ceremony sending you to school? Even if it's that formal education they used to have then, women doesn't go to it. But us now, we are going to school. So I like showing culture. I showcase culture here. I show culture. Culture is sweet. Mwah. We based in Nigeria and we are in northern part of Nigeria. We based in Jos Plateau, me and my baby. We based in Jos Plateau and my family, not only her. We based in Jos Plateau, Nigeria. I love you all that are joining me. I thought I supposed to see names. Why am I not seeing names? This thing of Bokwaka. I thought I meant to see the names of those that are joining me so that I'll give them a shout out. Please, if you join me, I haven't given you a shout out. Please, I love you. After I will check and know why am I not saying the names of my beautiful viewers, my beautiful friends. I think I meant to see their names. Gosh, can someone help me out? All right, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you all. Anywhere you're joining me from, I love you. I remember. Oh, we have 2 likes now. We have 2 likes. Oh, we are growing. I love the like. Those people that love my video, I love you too. Like the video. Like this live chat, oh, like this live chat, oh. We love you for that. We love you for liking the live chat. Like it, we love you. So we say thank you. Good morning. Say ụtụtụ ọma.
Ọtụtụ
Ụtụtụ
ọma.
ọma onye ọma na-ege m ntị.
Ọtụtụ ọma onye ọma na-ege m.
Onye ọma na-ege m ntị. We based in just Plateau. Ha Igbo ya will be this one like this because we based in just Plateau, but we still maintain our cultural ways. We live our lives like Africans. We live our lives, and we love you all. Our 3 likes. Wow, 3 good likes. I love you. Woo! Thank you. Thank you for liking our video. We love you. We love you. We love you. 3 good likes. Kai, you people are too much. We should be mentioning your names, but this one, the names are not displaying on the screen. I have not seen this typo. I keep on saying it. I thought the name should be displayed on the screen. All right, please, anywhere you are, don't forget to comment hi and say good morning to us. Say
Good
good
morning.
morning to not only to like it. Say good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. We are greeting you, so greet us. We want to see the comments so that from there I will know if your names are not displaying on the screen. I don't understand that one. Please, if you comment hi or good morning after I will see my beautiful viewers. Please, I'd like to comment hi. Okay, I think the name will display when you comment. Okay. Can someone drop a comment? Let me check it out. Can you drop hi? If you are watching me, please, can you drop hi? I think the name will display when you comment. Okay, comment now so that just hi, hi. It's okay for me so that I'll call your names. Please, I think now my mind is back. Oh, yes, the names will display when you drop a comment. Even if it's hi, drop hi so that because I've been saying I've not seen any names, but now my mind don't come back. My mind now I speak our Nigerian English back. My mind don't come back. Okay? Don't come back. Please drop hi so that I will see your names and then give you a shout out. So that I'll see your names and give you a shout out. Drop hi, hit a hi. Say good morning. We are good. Say good morning from Nigeria.
Good morning from Nigeria.
She shouted good morning. Some people are still sleeping. It's too early. You are shouting, you're waking people up. They say good morning. Say hi to us so that I'll see your names and I'm going to say good morning to you, boo. I don't know why it's not, I don't used to see, comment. Someone should break this for me. Now say hi. So make sure it's not connecting. Say hi, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yes, we are telling them to say hi, not us. Some people have liked our video. God bless you. God bless you. I said before going, I would like to go with plenty likes. I would like to go with plenty likes and comments. If you say hi, I will give you a big shout out like, oh, we will shout your name. Oh, somebody has commented. Please, we need your comments, okay? I want you to say hi to us. We will now say good morning from Nigeria. Everywhere, the weather is cool here. We based in northern part of Nigeria, so the weather is cool. They call here, in Nigeria, they call just Plateau the best part of the country.